Next up, as I'm sure you're probably across as well, there's been sort of a lot of push and pull when it comes to the brand new 12-pin connector that was developed for the market. A lot of concerns surrounding the amount of heat and power that's going through a single cable. We've built in new protections and what we call our safeguard technology from MSI. It's available on all of our new generation power supplies, but we're also building it now into graphics cards as well. Right. So what we have here is actually our first iteration of that. This is based on our RTX 5090 Supreme graphics card. And essentially what this has is a multi-phase process of warning the user if there's any voltage irregularities that are detected from the GPU specifically. So built into the card are server grade eFuse switches, which are constantly monitoring what's happening at a thermal level and at a voltage level capacity. If it detects any irregularities, it runs through a phase system of warning methods. The first of which is a red LED indicator, which will come on, signaling to you that the GPU visually has detected that something is going wrong there. In addition to that as well, the next phase is it'll pop up with a system notification in Windows. So if you're using our MSI Afterburner software, for example, you'll get a pop-up saying, hey, you should check out your graphics card. Something appears to be, incorrect here with the power delivery. Look into it. And next, if you don't, for whatever reason, see those first two warnings, is then an audible buzz from the GPU, so it'll give you a buzz warning alerts. And then in addition to that, as well as a final sort of fail-safe for the graphics card as well, we also are packaging this with an external buzzer alert as well, which is even louder than the buzzer that's on the GPU itself. So if this is behind tempered glass, for instance, locked away in a case and you've got headphones on, that's an external one that you can have in your desk, for example, to really ensure that there's no harm. Obviously, graphics cards aren't a cheap part of anyone's system in this day and age. We really want to make sure that they're kept safe and that you're able to use and enjoy for many years to come. So we're now just building these technologies in to future graphics cards. So, yeah. Now the power supplies, which we'll look at later, have sort of a similar technology also built into them. They're actively monitoring what's happening through that 12 pin as well, and will give you fairly similar methodology of warning notices as well. The cool thing about the power supplies that sort of distinguishes them against the graphics card is that they also will give you a detailed log as well and readout of what the PSU is detecting as the issue, so you can come back to it after you've checked out the cable or reseated it, for example, or swapped out the cable if necessary, to then further diagnose and look at what went wrong and potentially why. Excellent.